People who are moving to Kuwait for job will have more doubts regarding cost of living and culture of the country. Let me explain you all the details about Kuwait. The currency name of Kuwait is known as Kuwait dinar, and 1 Kuwait dinar is equal to 3.55 US dollar as of 16th February 2014. Fils are another denominations in Kuwait. 1000 fils is equal to 1 Kuwait dinar. Traveling time to Kuwait from India will be around 5 hours. Most of the countries have direct flight to Kuwait and some may have transit at Dubai. If you are going for a job, almost every companies will give you free accommodation. For food it will cost you around 20 Kuwait dinar for self-cooking and 50 Kuwait dinar while eating outside in the hotels. For transportation it will not cost much and take maximum 3 to 4 dinars. Flight, buses and taxi are the mode of transportation in Kuwait and no trains are available in the country. For internet, it will cost you maximum around 10 dinar per person and net speed will be good. Probably people will go for wireless modem in a sharing basis. You can send money to various countries by making use of money exchanges. You can call your friends, families at a cheaper rate by means of phone booth available in the street or by recharging international calls for your mobile, and local calls are very cheap. There are three mobile networks in Kuwait. They are Viva, Jain and Watania. There are around 10 shopping malls and 1 or 2 theme parks in the country. There are theatres in each and every shopping malls. All Indian movies such as Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil and Kannada and English movies are screened over there. Maximum film ticket rate is 3 Kuwait dinar. Kuwait country will have a temperature of 0 degrees to 20 degrees in winter season, that is from November to February. It will have 30 to 40 degrees between March and May. During June, July, August and September, the temperature may reach even 55 degrees. All accommodations will have air conditioner and so no worry about the temperature when you are inside the room. If you have doubts regarding anything in Kuwait, please ask questions in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for all latest updates. Hope these informations will be useful to you. Thank you.